morning, everyone. Welcome again to the 2024 BLS Olympics.
District nyo to facilitate the BLS Olympics 2024. And syempre, of course, before tayo mag-start, magpapachan muna tayo para naman ma-set ang tone ng event natin ng BLS. So, ready na po ba kayo sa inyong mga cheers? Parang walang breakfast kasi ang aga talaga ng ano natin, call time. Oh, isa pa partner. Ready na po ba ang mga chini nyo? Okay, sige, pakinggan na natin. Sa pinakaunang dumating ngayon.
Sa Melart na muna.
Okay.
Huwag niyo akong ipapatalo.
Hala kayo. Huwag niyong ipapahiya ang partner ko. Okay, ready na ba, District Millard? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ay, meron pa, Paps. Gusto niyo ba ng mic? Gusto niyo ba ng mic?
Kailangan niyo ba?
Sige. Pupunta ko kayo. Oh, may camera, may live stream. Pakikaling nga. Okay, ready na ang ibang district, ha? Okay. Sino maghawak ng mic? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Yes, talaga naman may energy ang District Millard. Palakpakan naman po sa District Millard. And syempre, dito sa mga team pula. Ay, huwag niyo ako ipapahiya. Okay, may camera ulit. May camera. Sige, sinong gusto humawak ng mic? Okay, go, Chloe. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Sino ang magwawagi? Everdeen!
Sa baba, wait lang. Practice.
1, 2, 3, go! Sino ang magwawagi? Everdeen! Sino ang magwawagi? Everdeen! Far away! Everdeen! Go! Ayun ang Everdeen! Bola for the win! Everdeen!
Palakpakan sa District Aberdeen. Syempre,
Partner, hindi naman
Oh.
magpapatalo ang team mo there dito. May camera po tayo. Sino po pwede maghawak ng mic?
okay, go District Oder. Kaya niyan.
Team
One,
Oder! Ang lansa!
Ang lansa! Sino ang malalansa? O, D, A, I, R, Oder. O, D, A, I, R, Oder. O, D, A, I, R, Oder. 'Cause victory is for the blue Oder. Religion! Woohoo! Grabe, ang lalansa daw ng District Oder. Pero maganda niyong isda or under the sea creatures.
Okay, sa susunod naman po tayo. Last but not least, Aberlandi!
Let's go! Let's go, Abernathy! Let's go! Let's go, Abernathy! Let's go! Kakatakot, nangingilabot. Sila'y takot, sila'y nangingilabot. Nakakatakot, nangingilabot. Sila'y takot, sila'y nangingilabot. Hala!
Hala! Palakpakan naman po ako sa District Abernathy, talagang nakakatakot. Siyan pa lang nila nakakatakot na. Pero syempre, mas nakakatakot at nakakakaba itong BLS kasi maraming case scenario ang naihanda dito para sa event na ito.
Okay, so partner, mukhang ready naman sila. Magsisimulan na ba tayo?
Yes, partner, wag na natin pahintayin pa kahit dahil tumatagaktak na ang kanilang mga bawal sa dumi-dumi na kilig. Ladies and gentlemen, survivors and healers, welcome to a world where every heartbeat is a battle cry and every breath a victory. Welcome to Basic Life Support Olympics 2024 of PLC and Red Cross Youth Council. My name is Tricia May Galos, your RCYC Public Relations Officer, and it is my privilege to guide you through an unforgettable day of courage, skill, and a heart-stopping action.
And I am Nicole Magaliano, your RCYC Secretary. Together, we embark on a journey that celebrates not only the prowess of our tributes, but also the spirit of unity and compassion that defines the meaning of Basic Life Support Hunger Games Edition. We are honored and thrilled to be your host for this extraordinary event.
Oh, talaga namang partner. Dito pa lang, parang kinakabahan ako. Ano kaya yung magiging eksena later kung yung parang magiging case scenario nila, no?
Kaya nga, partner, in this arena, where the stakes are higher than ever, our brave competitors have honed their skills, mastering the art of saving lives in the face of adversity. But in this crucible of challenge and sacrifice, only the strongest and the most skilled and the most determined will emerge triumphant.
Woo! And as we gather here today, let us remember the spirit of camaraderie and competition that binds us together. For the Basic Life Support Hunger Games edition, it's not just about individual glory, but the collective struggle to overcome, endure, and thrive.
So let us stand united as we embark on this journey, ready to face whatever challenges may come our way. Together, let us honor the courage, the resilience, and the unwavering dedication of those who dare to step into the arena.
And may the odds be ever in your favor, and may the healing hands of our competitors guide us through the darkest of times. Let the competition begin. And before we begin our Basic Life Support Olympics, it is my honor to introduce someone who plays a pivotal role in guiding and supporting us in our endeavors. She will share some words of wisdom and inspiration to kick off our Basic Life Support Olympics 2024 on a positive note. Please join us in welcoming Ma'am Charina J. Sipcon, RN, PhD, and our dearest PLC and RCYC advisor. Let's give her a big round of applause, please.
Thank you, Tricia. Good morning to our valued Red Cross Youth Council members and volunteers, our district tributes, and very able pool of evaluators. Magandang umaga! Welcome to our exciting and essential Basic Life Support Olympics. This is our first time to conduct this type of event. As such, as young humanitarian volunteers in our Bicol University community, you have chosen to embark on this journey of learning life-saving skills that will empower each and every one of us to help others during critical moments. We also do believe that by showcasing this event, we can instill camaraderie, teamwork, and confidence. As part of the Red Cross and BUCN family, and soon to be part of healthcare providers, together we can build stronger communities through skills education, preparedness, and compassionate action. Thank you for all your enthusiasm and choosing to be part of this significant event. May I also take this opportunity to extend my sincerest gratitude, most especially to our panel of evaluators namely our very own university-based organization, RCY Advisor, Professor Robert Padraso. Thank you, sir. From the BFP, Bureau of Fire Protection, we have SFO1, Christine Madridano. We have Officer FO2 of 02 Catherine Diano. We have FO2 Phil Debres and their companion FO2 Ruben Meradillo Jr. And of course, I would like to acknowledge the presence of the Communication and Public Relations Office, led by Director Renelyn Bautista and her staff. Thank you, sir, for streaming our TV live in the PU web page. And of course, to those who supported us in one way or another to make this event into fruition. RCYers, always first, always ready, and always there. Let the competition begin, and I now declare the competition open. Thank you very much.
Okay, so thank you po, Ma'am Chari, our very supportive advisor.
Yes naman. Thank you, Ma'am Chari. May basbas na tayo ni Ma'am Chari para sa BLS natin ngayon. And of course, attention citizens of College of Nursing and esteemed spectators of the Basic Life Support. We now call upon the representatives from some of the most storied districts in our nation's history. From District Odair, known for their resilience and unwavering spirit, we welcome Ana Marie V. Zabalia. Let's give her a big round of applause, please.
Next, from the District of Abernathy, revered for their cunning and resourcefulness, please welcome Miss Rachel Macandong.
Let's give her a big round of applause, please. And hailing from District Aberdeen, a symbol of hope and resilience, we have Donna Irene Peralta. Let's give her a big round of applause, please.
And last but certainly not the least, from the District Ballard, champions of courage and resilience, please welcome Mix Mela Santiago.
Let's give her a big round of applause, please. Okay, these are the representatives of Districts Odair, Abernathy, Aberdeen, and Villarc, each embodying the unique virtues and strengths of their respective homes. Let us witness their bravery and skill as they compete for honor and glory in the Basic Life Support Olympics 2024. And it is with great honor that we introduce the esteemed judges who will preside over the Basic Life Support Olympics 2024. These distinguished individuals will serve as our guides and arbiters throughout the competition, ensuring fairness, accuracy, and adherence to the high standards of medical excellence. May we call the BSC and RCYC advisor, Ma'am Chari J. Sipcon, and our BSC and RCYC president, Pauline Reyes, to come up to the stage. And for our first judge, from the Bureau of Fire Protection, may we call on SFO1 Christine J. Madridano. Let's give her a big round of applause, please. Thank you, Ma'am Christine J. Madridano. And for the second judge, also from Bureau of Fire Protection, FO2 Catherine C. Eliano. Let's give her a big round of applause, please. And for the third judge, we have Sir Robert Madraso, licensed public teacher and university-based organization advisor. Let's give him a big round of applause, please. And let's show our appreciation for esteemed judges and their dedication to the art and science of saving lives. With their guidance, may the competition be fierce yet fair, and may the true champions rise to the occasion. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. Okay, partner? I think
Dapat na
ready.
simula.
Yes, I think ready na.
Before we start, let me review the guidelines of the Not Just Any Contest Lifeline.
Okay, mag-start na tayo. Ready na ba ang each district? How about the facilitators? Are you ready,
Parang
guys?
kulang pa partner ng energy. Hindi ko marinig yung mga cheers
True
nila.
partner, ready na ba? Pero kinakabahan kasi sila partner, kaya piniprepare nila yung energy nila.
Hindi ko ready na nga sila.
Okay, from District Malark, we have Game Masters Aaron and Charles. And for the District Aberdeen, we have Game Masters Anne May and Winona. And for the District Otair, we have Game Masters Ralph and Jericho. And for the District Abernathy, we have Game Masters Fred and JM.
Okay, so for the Game Masters po, please proceed to the middle kasi bibigay na po sa inyo yung envelope ni Ate.
Okay, mag-start na po tayo for the first stage. Judges, pwede na po kayong pumunta sa working area po. So, may bibigay pong envelope yung mga facilitators once na nag-start na po yung game and mag-start po yung time kapag binigay po sa inyo yung envelope. So, we have 5 minutes lang po for the brainstorming and for the procedure. And kapag tapos na po kayo, either hindi pa po tapos yung time or tapos na, pumunta na po kayo dito. Yung patient po or yung na-bandagean po, pupunta po dito sa stage and yung magpo-present po para po ma-evaluate po ng patient, ng mga judges. So, we only have 2 minutes for the presentation and 3 minutes po para sa evaluation and feedback po ng patient, ng mga judges. Okay, timer? Ready na po ba? Facilitators? And before we start po, make sure po facilitators na wala pong mobile phones ang ating mga participants. And i-identify nyo rin po kung sino po yung mga participants for this stage. 4 lang po ang kakailanganin namin. And may we remind you lang po that talking or gesturing with to the facilitators may result for the disqualification of the game. And any form of cheating shall lead to automatic disqualification. No person except the judges will be allowed to communicate with the teams. Mobile phones and other electronic devices that will be used for reference purposes during the contest are not allowed. Any violation of the stipulated guidelines will be grounds for disqualification of the team. Okay po. Dapat matapos man po yung time or hindi, makapag ready na po kayo, pwede na po kayo ditong mag-present. Of course, kung sino po yung mauuna, yun din po yung mag-unang mag-represent. Ready? Okay, sa sa game po natin for the Not Just Any Contest case scenario. Game Masters, are we ready? Okay, the time will start po kapag narinig niyo na po yung whistle and mag-announce na lang po ako, mag-signal lang po ako pag tapos na po yung 5 minutes. And please take note po, facilitators, yung time na natapos po nila yung presentation po nila. Okay, are we ready? District Malark? District Aberdeen? District Otair? District Abernathy, hingay nga muna. Okay, inhale and exhale and let the competition begin. Timer starts now.
minus 4 minutes. T minus 3 minutes. T minus 2 minutes.
Okay, first to finish the case scenario is District Abernathy. Patake note na lang po ng time. Magstay na lang po pala yung patient sa respective tent nila and dyan na lang po mag-evaluate and feedback yung judges. Kasi ang case scenario for this round is ankle injury. And second to finish, we have District Odair.
T minus 1 minute.
Okay, so ang second to finish po is
T minus 50 seconds.
District Melord.
And also, tapos na rin po ang District Aberdeen.
T minus 40 seconds.
Once na nag-signal na po kayo na tapos na, bawal na pong galawin
T
yung
minus
patient
30
natin.
seconds.
The time po na nag-signal yung game masters natin ng time na, wala na po kayong gagalawin.
T minus 20 seconds.
Okay, tapos na po ba?
Tignan po yung mga
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Okay, our judges are now
0.
evaluating the outputs of each district. If the judges po have questions for each district, pwede nyo pong i-answer kasi part po siya ng presentation ninyo. You can explain po how you did it and how you present po the bandaging. And also, evaluation and scoring committee, once po natapos ng judges natin, pwede nyo na pong kunin yung score sheets nila. Okay, we have our evaluation scoring committee, Miss K. and Miss Balagasay. Nasa middle po siya ng stage. So our judges are now having their feedback, and after giving their feedbacks po, magkakaroon po ulit ng general feedback for everyone's information. I think the judges are already done. And the judges are now scoring the output of each district. And after po, ibibigay niyo po sa evaluation scoring committee ang score sheets. Magkakaroon po tayo ng general feedback ng, for the case scenario of ankle injury for everyone's information. Kumusta? Kumusta ang first stage? Kumusta District Millard?
Akala namin madami. Charot. So, mainit naman.
Okay, how about sa District Aberdeen? Kumusta ang pag-perform or pag-analyze ng case scenario?
Confused kami sa una, pero nagets naman namin. Nagawa na namin yung procedure. Dito naman po tayo sa District Unair. Kamusta? Okay lang po. Yung extend kayo sa everything. Okay na. Okay, so dito
District Aberdeen, Abernathy, Odair, and Milark. And congratulations for surviving the first case scenario for our Not Just Any contest. Can we now have the feedback po? Ay. Yung scoring committee na po ang magtatali for case scenario score sheets.
So, good morning for my general feedback for the scenario is some of the teams consider the emergency objectives, which is the development and then what I observe with the application of the package is portability ng victims by the activities na gagalawin. And some of the groups is tribal position. So, which is medyo mahirap sa part na injured area. So, what possible na comfortable victims. So, as a responders tayo mag-a-adjust. For the need best, most of the team naman malinis yung pagkakita. Okay.
Hey, good morning. Yes, so in addition lang po dun kay sir, pag nag-apply ng bandages, di ba remember yung capillary refill check natin? Okay. Kasi may mga naka-shoe on, may shoe off. Understandable naman yan, okay. So, then remember the acronym RISE, di ba? What is R? Rest, ice, compression, and elevation. Okay, so may mga teams na nag-apply nun, meron ding medyo nakalimutan. Okay. So far, okay naman po.
Good morning po. So, okay naman yung knowledge nyo regarding sa bandaging. Tama naman yung nagawa. Siguro, additional lang, since we are dealing with a patient na in pain, siguro, wag nating kalimutan na habang nag-a-apply tayo ng bandaging, let's be gentle but accurate. Kasi, syempre, konting pressure or konting movement na mali dun sa pasyente, nagkakause yun ng mas pain sa kanya. Yun lang. Thank you. Good luck sa next round.
Okay, thank you po and take note participants ng mga advice and comments ng mga judges sa inyo kasi baka magamit nyo pa for the next 2 stages. And ayan partner, wag daw kakalimutan yung acronym na RISE. Rest, ice, compression, and elevate. Thank you judges and thank you District Abernathy, Milark, Odair, and Aberdeen. Okay, hinga-hinga muna.
Okay, ready na po ba?
Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo partner for this basic life support Olympics. And ang next natin for the second stage is the Life Legends Excelling in Urgent Case Scenarios for Emergency First Aid. And nakaready na dito partner yung parang magiging material natin for this stage. And facilitators or game masters, please identify the participants for this game. And nagkaroon po pala tayo ng draw lots kanina kung sino ang mauna since we can use only one mannequin only for this case scenario. And pupunta lang po dito yung magpe-perform and as you can see, may kortina po tayo dito para po hindi po magaya or matignan yung presentation ng kada district. So, nagkaroon tayo ng draw lots kanina. For our first presenter, we have District Odair. Susunod po is District Milark, Abernathy, and Everdeen. So, Oder, Melark, Abernathy, and Everdeen. Yun po ang kasunod-sunod para sa Lifeline Legends Excelling in Urgent Care Scenarios for Emergency First Aid. So, partner, parang ito yung pinaka-basic and common na gagawin ng mga first aiders kasi emergency first aid, diba? So, parang mas mabilis, mas tamang aksyon, mas magandang performance.
Kaya nga, partner, feeling ko nag-ready talaga sila and nag-practice para dito.
And syempre, kung may mga strategies po kayo dyan, you can now talk with your districts or mentors or team leader. And again, we have 5 minutes for the brainstorming and performance or procedure, and 2 minutes for the presentation presentation to the judges, and 3 minutes for the evaluation and feedback. And also, the general judging criteria for the not just any contest, for our first stage, we have the efficiency and correctness of application, 40 points, stability and security, 25 points, neatness and aesthetics, 20 points, communication, teamwork, and collaboration, 15 points, for a total of 100 points. So, partner, may nakita ko rito ang communication, teamwork, and collaboration. So, may points pa rin on how you communicate with your patient and with your partner sa pag-first aid.
Pero partner, nakita ko naman kanina talaga yung dedication nila and yung communication nila sa isa't isa.
True ka dyan, partner. Yan ang natural virtue or attitude ng mga RCYers or sa loob ng College of Nursing.
Okay, so for the general judging criteria naman po,
For the Lifeline Legends,
correctness of application, 30 points, efficiency and effectiveness, 30 points, body mechanics or techniques and proper use of equipment, 20 points, communication, teamwork, and collaboration, 20 points, for a total of 100 points.
okay, are we ready? District Oder? And make sure po, Game Masters, na wala pong makakasilip or anything na makikita nila yung performance ng kada district na magpa-perform. And Game Masters, please come to the front to get the case scenario for our second stage. Andito si RCYC President natin to give the case scenario.
Okay po, let me repeat again the disqualifications. Talking or gesturing with the facilitators during the contest may result in disqualification of the team. No person except the judges will be allowed to communicate with the teams. Any form of cheating shall lead to automatic disqualification. Mobile phones and other electronic devices that will be used for reference purposes during the contest are not allowed. And lastly, any violation of the stipulated guidelines will be grounds for disqualification of the team. Okay, partner, ready na po ba?
True partner, nasa Game Masters na ang case scenario para sa second stage natin for the emergency first aid. Okay, yung mag-present po for the second stage, sa stage na po bubuksan yung case scenario. So we have 5 minutes for the brainstorming and the procedure proper po.
Team Oder, ready na po ba?
If you have questions or concerns, okay, so we will stick pa rin po sa 5 minutes and sa brainstorming and procedure proper. And pag nakita naman na po nung concern po kasi is parang marami daw yung compressions, kukulangin daw for 5 minutes. Tama po ba? So, ang pinag-agrihan po ng judges is kapag nakikita naman po nila na tama yung compression nyo, pwede naman na po sila mag-stop sa inyo po if ever po na tama naman po yung compression nyo. If hindi po is syempre, i-continue pa rin po nyo yung pag-compress but you only have 5 minutes to perform the case scenario po. Clear po ba? Clear po ba sa lahat? Okay. So, District Oder, are you ready? Okay.
Okay, once po na nandito na sa stage, magsa-start na rin po yung timer natin.
I will give signal na lang po na mag-start po yung time natin. Okay, Game Masters? Okay. Babantayan po yung kada district nyo, Game Masters. And sa mga naghihintay po, pwede nyo pong pag-usapan kung ano po yung magiging strategy nyo po. Okay? Timer, ready? And
Ready
the
na, Team
timer
Oder?
starts now.
T-minus 5 minutes. T-minus 4 minutes. minus 3 minutes. T minus 2 minutes. T minus 1 minute. T minus 50 seconds. T minus 40 seconds. T minus 30 seconds. T minus 20 seconds. Eight, seven, six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
There you have it. The time is already done. Okay, thank you, District Oder. And for the presentation, if may mga questions po yung judges, you may now ask the presenters. Whew, partner, nakakaba. 5 minutes para isalba ang patient.
Pero ang galing nila, partner, nakita ko.
True ka dyan, partner. And okay, diretso na po, nag-evaluate na rin po yung judges sa presenters natin. Okay, congratulations, District Coder, for surviving this second stage. And of course, for the second presenter, we may now call on up here on the stage the District Millark. Let's go, District Millark. And may we remind all the game masters to observe the your per district po. Support naman dyan, District Millark. Mag-ingay, District Millark. Ayan, para naman ganahan ng ating presenters. Okay, Game Master.
Ready na
Kaya
po?
Aaron? Okay. Timer? Okay. Timer? Ready? And the timer starts now.
T minus 5 minutes. T minus 4 minutes. T minus 3 minutes. T minus 2 minutes. minus 1 minute. T minus 50 seconds. T minus 40 seconds. T minus 30 seconds. T minus 20 seconds. Ten, nine, eight, seven, six, five, four, three, two, one, zero.
There you have it. Thank you, District Melark. And the time is already done, and you can now proceed for the presentation if you wish to continue the presentation. District Milark. Thank you and congratulations, District Milark, for surviving this second stage for Lifeline Legends, excelling case scenarios for emergency first aid. Kaya dito pa lang kahit nakaupo lang ako ay marami akong natututunan from our responders and of course from our judges. And tuloy-tuloy lang tayo for this second round. May we call on the District Abernathy? Ready na po ba ang 3 responders natin from District Abernathy?
Okay, for the judging criteria po, ulitin ko lang, correctness of application, 30 points, efficiency and effectiveness, 30 points, body mechanics or techniques, and body proper use of equipment, 20 points, communication, teamwork, and collaboration, 20 points, for a total of 100 points.
Yes, partner, isa sa mga importante dito sa ating second round is yung body mechanics and or proper use of equipment and of course the communication, teamwork, and collaboration. So lahat ng yan is a total of 100 points. District Abernathy, responders po from District Abernathy.
Ready na po ba? Please proceed to the stage.
Game Masters. If may mga materials po kayo na gustong dalhin, pwede nyo pong dalhin dito sa stage and or request from the organization. Pwede po yan. Okay pa po ba ang ating mga esteemed judges or spectators? You can okay, I think andito na ang District Abernathy. Ready na sila. Hinga-hinga muna District Abernathy.
Okay na po.
Okay, we are still on live streaming brought to you by Communications and Public Relations Office of Bicol University. Thank you so much. Okay, District Abernathy, are you ready po? Give me a thumbs up kung ready na po. Okay, timer, ready? Okay. And the timer starts now.
T-minus 5 minutes. minus 4 minutes. T minus 3 minutes. T minus 2 minutes. T minus 1 minute. T minus 50 seconds.
With natapos po ng district o Abernathy within 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. So thank you and congratulations District Abernathy. So proceed na po tayo sa presentation. Okay, congratulations Abernathy. Whew! Nakakakaba pa rin kahit, paulit-ulit kong nakikita ang ginagawa nila. And of course, Last but certainly not the least, the District Everdeen. Okay, Game Master, ano na lang po dito sa stage. Dito po. Sa kabilang side po ng stage. Okay, we have Game Master Winona to assist the District Everdeen. Okay, ready, District Everdeen? Thumbs up po if ready na. Okay, timer, ready ka na rin po ba? Okay, District Everdeen, the timer starts now.
T minus 5 minutes. T minus 4 minutes. T minus 3 minutes. T minus 2 minutes. T minus 1 minute. minus 40 seconds.
Okay, there you have it. Natapos din ang District Everdeen ng case scenario in less than 5 minutes. Palakpakan naman po dyan. Thank you and congratulations, District Everdeen. We can now proceed for the presentation and evaluation and feedback. Thank you, Everdeen. And yun na nga, we are already done with our second stage. And ngayon naman, pakinggan po natin ang general feedback from our esteemed spectators for everyone's information kung ano nga ba talaga ang proper procedure or technique when it comes to emergency first aid. Game Masters, pwede nyo po isatabi muna ang curtains. And also, each district, please prepare for our third stage for this basic life support Olympics. Talaga namang we witness and each district embody the unique virtues and strengths of their respective homes.
Okay, so good morning po. Okay din po tayo sa general assessment namin from all the teams. Okay po? You always have to survey the scene, di ba? Kapag may, in every scenario, always survey the scene, the safety of the victim, your own safety standards, and then you also have to ask for consent. So far, nagawa naman ng lahat ng teams yon. And then yung comments lang namin is yung sa execution or proper placement ng hands nyo, and then yung LLF, look, listen, and feel, then yung sa location ng pulse. Okay, so overall, okay naman po. Let's give yourself a round of applause.
Thank you, ma'am. And also acknowledging the presence of our Bicol University President, Dr. Benjamin, Baby Boy Benjamin B. Nebres III. Okay, let's have first a photo opportunity with our Bicol University president. And of course, may we call on our judges to join us in our photo opportunity. Pupunta na lang po pala si Tess. Thank you, Bicol University President. Talaga namang may natutunan tayo or BU hand sign. Paano nga ang BU hand sign, partner? Paano daw ang BU hand sign? And another photo opportunity po with our Bicol University President and esteemed judges. And of course, with our UCN faculty members. Thank you, sir, for coming into this BLS Olympics 2024. Thank you so much, sir. We appreciate for your presence for this event. Thank you so much. And there you have it. May energy pa ba ang District Aberdeen? How about ang District Belor? District Hotel, kumusta kayo dyan? And of course, our District Abernathy. Okay, there you have it. Tuloy-tuloy na po tayo. Let's now proceed for our last stage for our BLS Olympics 2024.
Okay, so partner, ang next po natin, last but not the least, is the transfer trailblazers, leading the way in patient movement for transfer of patient.
Okay. Before that, let's have our general judging criteria for our third stage. Correctness of application, 30 points. Stability and security, 20 points. Efficiency and effectiveness, 20 points. Body mechanics or techniques and proper use of equipment, 20 points. Communication, teamwork, and collaboration, 10 points, for a total of 100 points. So, dito po ay simultaneous po ninyo gagawin ang transfer of patient. Kung sino po yung unang matatapos, dito lang nyo po ipipresent. Kung sino po ang una, dito po papesto and sunod-sunod na po. And judges, pupunta po kayo here sa working area to observe their performance for this case scenario or for this stage. And of course, kanina, nabigyan lang tayo ng 5 minutes to perform the emergency first aid and the bandaging. Since dito, marami ang participants, kakailangan natin ng 10 participants, you have 10 minutes to perform this transfer of patient. Malinaw po ba? So, kung sino po yung mauna dito sa stage na to, if ever po na mauna po yung District Abernathy, dito po, and sunod po dito, sunod-sunod na po. Ayun. If you have questions or concerns, you can ask po your respective game masters. Hello. Okay, so each team should have 3 to 10 participants as representatives to compete. kanya-kanya po itong strategy or techniques kung sino po yung mga magbubuhat, sino po ang patient, sino po ang for the materials or logistics po. Are we all ready? And game masters, pakuha na po ng spine board. Nakakailanganin po ng ating districts. And make sure po na you have at least 10 bandages for this case scenario, for this stage. And if kakailanganin nyo po ng extra, we have prepared some bandages po for your need or for this stage po. Dito kakailanganin at matitest ang ating communication, teamwork, and collaboration na sinasabi natin na may 20 points sa ating judging criteria. And also kasama nyo ang ating mga judges na mag-roam around during your performance. We have 10 minutes here to execute the performance. Kasama na po ang reading and analysis of case scenario, brainstorming, and skill performance. And kung sino po yung unang mag-lift or transfer ng patient or mag-lift ng spine board, pasunod-sunod na lang po dito. And game masters, please assist your district. Ready na po? Nasa kanila lang po ba ang spine board? Punta na po kayo sa ating RCYC president to get our case scenario for this round. Transfer trailblazers leading the way in patient movement for transfer of patient. Dito applicable ang slowly but surely. District Melark, Game Master, we have Charles. Game Master Charles. Okay, mag-start po yung time once na sinabi ko po. Okay? Nasa kanila na ang case scenario. Parang yung mga game masters natin ang kinakabahan partner.
Kaya nga, partner, gusto pa nila magunahan.
Gusto pa nilang magunahan. Wala yung points sa inyong game masters ha. Hindi kayo per district. RCY tayo dito.
Okay, pa-thumbs up po if ready na.
Thumbs up po from District Melark if ready na. Everdeen. Abernathy. Thumbs up. O there. Ready. Okay, we have 10 minutes. And timer. Ready, game masters? Timer starts now.
T-minus 10 minutes. T-minus 9 minutes. T minus 8 minutes. T minus 7 minutes. T minus 6 minutes. T minus 5 minutes. T minus 4 minutes. T minus 3 minutes. T minus 2 minutes.
We only have 2 minutes left for this round. Okay, masters, please take note of their time po kung kailan po natapos ang iyong district. I can see it first on the line.
T
Okay,
minus
first
1
on the
minute.
line we have District Milarg, and second we have District Abernathy. Okay, masters, please assist your
T
district.
minus 50 seconds.
Lagyan po ng umbrella yung uh, kailangan po ng umbrella. And also we
minus
have
40
the
seconds.
third on the line, we have the District Odair. Inaantay na lang po natin ang District Aberdeen.
T minus 30 seconds.
We only have 30 seconds left for this case scenario.
T minus 20 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, and the time stops for this case scenario. And of course, fourth on the line, we have District Aberdeen.
Okay, so let me repeat again the general judging criteria. Correctness of application, 30 points. Stability and security, 20 points. Efficiency and effectiveness, 20 points. Body mechanics or techniques and proper use of equipment, 20 points. And lastly, communication, teamwork, and collaboration, 10 points for a total of 100 points.
Yan, thank you partner. Talaga namang swak na swak at maraming pagpipilian or pagsunan yung ating mga judges, no? Of course, most importantly, ang body mechanics, communication, stability, correctness, and of course, the efficiency for this case scenario. Make sure po na wala na po kayong gagalawin sa inyong patient. District. Okay na po ba? So as of the moment, District Milarg is now presenting their output. Okay, as you can see, tuloy-tuloy lang po ang pag-score ng ating mga judges per district. So, ang ating judges ay nasa District Aberdeen.
Okay, so after this po, magpo-proceed tayo sa tabulation of scores and giving of feedback.
And after this presentation and scoring of the judges, proceed po ulit tayo sa general feedback of for this stage or for this case scenario for everyone's information kung ano pa dapat yung proper techniques or mechanics when it comes to this case scenario.
Okay po, so let's now proceed to the giving of general feedback.
Okay, good morning. Mainit na ba? Good na ata eh. Pagod na kayo? Kaya pa? Okay.
Kaya pa.
Consider natin to. For the general feedback, lumabas kasi yung pagiging creative ninyo and resourceful. That's a good thing. Tsaka lahat na ng teams na kapag participate. Okay? So, nakita namin yung kung paano kayo gumamit ng nag-maximize ng mga supplies na nandyan sa area nyo. And then, comments lang is proper application of kailangan pa ng improvement yung sa bandaging. Mostly kasi nakalabas yung mga medyo nag-loosen lang din kayo sa pag-apply ng bandage dito sa injury niya sa scalp, di ba? Okay, so nakalagay kasi dun sa scenario, profuse bleeding. So dapat meron niyang bandage and then medyo tighten. Not too loose, not too tight naman. Yung paka-apply ninyo ng triangular bandage. And then yung mga excess, okay? Kasi usually pag ang nangyayari dyan, pag tinatransport nyo na yung victim, pwede siya sumabit dun sa vehicle or sa ambulance or sa sasakyan nilang transport vehicle. Okay? Then, proper application of splints. Okay, Tana, kasi na-address niyo yung injury sa ankle. Kaya lang, minsan, parang sumobra naman ata, sobrang haba ng mga splints ninyo. Pwede niyo naman siya i-cut, di ba? Para mapantay lang dun mismo sa injury niya. Okay, kasi yung iba medyo lagpas na sa spine board, ganyan. Okay? And then, proper placement, applying splints, okay? And then yung sa C-collar, it's a good thing na naging resourceful kayo. Kung ano meron dyan, kasi wala akong nakikitang C-collar na yung nag-improvise talaga kayo. Yes. Yes, may question pa? Okay, yung, pwede na po kayo mag-proceed dun sa
Yes po.
Yes, kasi, kawawa naman. Tsaka kayo, masyadong naiinitan dyan.
Tiis-scan daw muna.
Then maririnig nyo naman yung dito, yung comments.
Okay, proper pa rin. In character.
Okay, so moving on yung sa pag-transport ng victim, dapat po cadence pa rin po yan. Kaya po tayo merong headman or yung team leader Kasi isa lang magko-command para yung movement ng paa ninyo is synchronized. Okay po? Okay. So far yun lang naman po yung aking general feedback. Let's hear it from sir.
Okay, so good morning. So here is my general feedback. Okay. Now, I observed a while ago some of the responders while they are applying the bandage, hindi po nakalipot. Yan. So parang may nakatukurok. Yan. Baka kasi masagi is mataganan natin yung victim. Okay, now good to know that you apply a splints. Ang problema lang, hindi kayo naglagay ng padding. Meron sa iba, some. Okay po? Sige po. That's all.
Ayun, talagang nilaban ng District Melark and Oder na may padding sila. Palakpakan! Ayan, thank you and congratulations for surviving our last stage, our last case scenario. Talagang lahat magagaling. Our team judges na lang ang bahala kung sino ang magiging overall champion and sino ang magiging best performer kada stage. Team judges? And welcome to a crucial juncture in the BLS Hunger Games edition, the tabulation of scores in the Basic Life Support Olympics 2024. And while waiting for our scores, once again, let's read the general judging criteria, partner.
Okay, so for the first scenario, the not just any contest, Lifeline 2, the general judging criteria is for efficiency and correctness of application, 40 points, stability and security, 25 points, neatness and aesthetics, 20 points, communication, teamwork, and collaboration, 15 points for a total of 100 points. For the Lifeline legends are excelling in urgent care scenarios, the general judging criteria is correctness of application, 30 points, efficiency and effectiveness, 30 points, body mechanics or technique and proper use of equipment, 20 points, communication, teamwork, and collaboration, 20 points for a total of 100 points.
And of course, for the transfer trailblazers leading the way in patient movement, for transfer patient, we have correctness of application, 30 points, stability and security, 20 points, efficiency and effectiveness, 20 points, body mechanics or techniques and proper use of equipment, 20 points, and lastly, for the communication, teamwork, and collaboration, 10 points for a total of 100 points. So magkakaroon muna tayo ng interview while waiting for the scores. So we have Nicole Magallano, our BC and RCYC Secretary, to ask for their experiences.
Okay, so magsa-start na muna ako dito sa District Melark. Sino po pwedeng matanong? Okay, kamusta po ang experience?
Okay naman po. Ang galing ng mga kagrupo ko. Galing ng mga kagrupo ko.
Yes, talaga naman.
Okay po, dito naman po tayo sa District Everdeen. Sino po pwede? Kamusta po ang experience? Nag-enjoy naman po ba kayo?
Enjoy po. Lalo kapag katimo ang Everdeen! Yes, talaga namang go na go pag sa District Everdeen.
Okay, so dito naman tayo sa District Oder.
proceed naman tayo sa District Abernathy.
Syempre, last but not the least, ang District Abernathy.
Very, very nerve-wracking na sobrang mamadali, parang although may alam ka, hindi mo ma-apply.
So, gusto nyo ba mag-cheer din? Ay. Sige po, okay. Ay, ang Everdeen gusto mag-cheer. Dito tayo. Mandali. 1, 2, 3, go! Everdeen! 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 Go, 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 go!
Yes, for the win, Everdeen!
Siyempre, hindi magpapatalo ang District Melord. Gusto nyo ba mag-cheer?
May energy pa ba ang District Melark?
Wala
Pwede naman.
Napagod na kanina,
Napagod na ang
partner.
District Melark. And of course, partner, will read the scoring and awards. The criteria for judging for each contest category shall be used in giving points to the team's accomplishments. And the team that gained the highest point per contest category round should be recognized and receive a special award. The special awards are Best in Not Just Any Contest, Lifeline Loop, Best in Lifeline Legends, excelling in urgent care scenarios for emergency first aid, Best in Transfer Trailblazers, leading the way in patient movement for transfer patient, and the top 4 performing teams shall be recognized and their point included in the computation of the overall scores. To determine the overall scores, the equivalent points per contest category should be added or combined and then ranked. The top 4 performing teams shall be declared as champion, first runner-up, second runner-up, and third runner-up respectively. The winner shall be announced after the contest and shall receive certificates of award and medals during the awarding ceremony. There you have it. So, partner, meron tayong special awards kada category. Meron ka ng major awards. Kunwari, yung district ko, champion, and then magkakaroon din sila ng special awards like Best in Not Just Any Contest or Lifeline Loop kapag sila yung nag-stand out for that stage or for that case scenario. So, pwedeng yung isang district makatanggap ng 2 to 4 awards. Yan. Talagang nag-uumapaw ang ating kasiyahan at awards dito sa Basic Life Support Olympics 2024 brought to you by Bicol University Red Cross Youth Council of College of Nursing. And of course, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang ating live streaming brought to you by Bicol University Communication and Public Relations Office. So let's now proceed for the awarding of certificates to our esteemed judges. May we call up here on the stage our BSCN RCYC advisor, Ma'am Charina Sabcon, and our BSCN RCYC President, Pauline Reyes.
Okay, so in recognition for their invaluable contribution to the Hunger Games and their unwavering commitment to excellence, we now present certificates of appreciation to our esteemed Board of Judges. Please join me in applauding our judges as they step forward to receive this well-deserved honor.
Let me read first the citation. Bicol University College of Nursing Red Cross Youth Council Certificate of Commendation is given to Sir Robert B. Madraso in grateful acknowledgement for his time and expertise as one of the Board of Judges during the Bicol University College of Nursing Student Nurses Week Basic Life Support or BLS Olympics 2024 held on February 23, 2024 at the PU Commencement Grounds given this 23rd day of February 2024 at Bicol University College of Nursing Main Campus, Legazpi City. Signed by President PUC and RCYC Pauline D. Reyes, Advisor of PUC and RCYC, Ma'am Charita J. Sipcon, PhD, and our PUC and Dean, Ma'am Jean Annette S. Ibo, EDD. Let's give him a big round of applause, please, for our esteemed judge, Sir Robert B. Madraso. And also acknowledging the presence of our PUC and Dean, Ma'am Jean Annette S. Ibo, and Ma'am Fatima B. Kalingasyon, our PUC and Associate Dean. Let's give them a big round of applause, please. Thank you, ma'ams, for attending the BLS Olympics. Ma'am, may we invite you po, stage po, another photo opportunity po with Sir Robert Madraso. May we invite our PUCN Dean and PUCN Associate Dean for an photo opportunity. And next, certificate of commendation is given to FO2 Catherine C. Eliano in grateful acknowledgement for her time and expertise as one of the Board of Judges during the Bicol University College of Nursing UCN Student Nurses Week Basic Life Support Olympics 2024 held on February 23, 2024 at the PU Commencement Grounds. Given this 23rd day of February 2024 at Bicol University College of Nursing Main Campus, Legazpi City. Thank you, Ma'am Catherine. And of course, the certificate of commendation is given also to SFO1 Christine J. Madridano in grateful acknowledgement for her time and expertise as one of the Board of Judges during the Basic Life Support Olympics 2024 held on February 23, 2024 at the PU Commencement Grounds given this 23rd day of February 24 at Bicol University College of Nursing Main Campus, Legazpi City. Thank you, Ma'am Madridano. There you have it, and may their dedication serve as an inspiration to us all, reminding us of the importance of integrity and fairness in every aspect of our lives. Let's give them a big round of applause, please. Okay, while waiting, pwede kayo po magkaroon na ng photo opportunity with your batchmates, friends, or other colleagues. pa po kayo dyan. Mainit na po. Malapit na po ang tabulation committee matapos. I would just like to express po my sincerest gratitude to the first to the esteemed Board of Judges for sharing their expertise and guidance throughout the event. Your presence po is truly appreciated. Also, I would like to thank the Communications and Public Relations Office with their director, Dr. Renelyn E. Bautista, and the staff for facilitating the Facebook live streaming and documentation. Also, to Information and Communications Technology Office with their director, Dr. Aris J. Ordonez, and the staff for facilitating the access for internet connectivity here in the commencement ground to make the live streaming possible. I would also like to thank the Ako Bicol Party List for sharing their resources and generosity for the tents that were used to let the volunteers maximize their BLS skills and knowledge. Also, to Extreme Lights and Sounds, thank you po for helping us in the technical side of the event. To our advisor, Ma'am Charina Sipcon, thank you po for guiding us all throughout the event from day 1 to this day. This wouldn't be possible without your guidance. To our Dean, Ma'am Jean Annette S. Ibo, thank you po for your support in every endeavor of the Council. We truly appreciate you po, Ma'am. To the officers, thank you so much for your dedication and unending support to make this event possible. The efforts, time, and passion you have given to this event were really appreciated. Lastly, to the tributes, congratulations! You have proved that you have embodied the unique virtues and strengths of your respective homes. You have demonstrated exceptional skill, courage, and compassion. Once again, may the odds be ever in your favor. Thank you po!
Okay, so thank you po to our President, Ms. Pauline Reyes.
And as of the moment, medyo nahihirapan partner ang ating tabulation committee kasi magagaling naman talaga ang kada district, no?
True partner, sobrang competitive ng mga district dito kaya hindi talaga natin alam kung sino yung mga mananalo.
True ka dyan, partner. And while waiting, syempre, babasahin ko muna ang ating mga certificates. Okay, let me read the Certificate of Participation. Bicol University College of Nursing Red Cross Youth Council Certificate of Participation is given to blank for his or her active involvement during the Bicol University College of Nursing Student Nurses Week Basic Life Support Olympics 2024 held on February 23, 2024 at the BU Commencement Grounds given this 23rd day of February 2024 at Bicol University College of Nursing Main Campus, Legazpi City. Signed by President BUC and RCYC Pauline D. Reyes, Advisor BUC and RCYC Ma'am Charina J. Sipcon, PhD, and our BUC and Dean Ma'am Jean Annette S. Ibo, ED. Ayan na, partner, the results are in. Nandito na sa aking kamay ang
Excited na
results.
ba ang lahat?
Nasa na ang District Melord? District Aberdeen, kaya pa ba? District Abernathy. And of course, District Adair. The moment we've all been waiting for has arrived, and the crowning of the victors in the Basic Life Support Olympics.
Throughout these harrowing competitions, our tributes have demonstrated exceptional skill, courage, and compassion in the face of adversity.
It's time to honor those who have risen above the rest, whose unwavering commitment to saving lives has set them apart as true champions. Okay, mag-start tayo sa special award. And of course, to award the certificates, may we call on Ma'am Charina J. Sipcon, Ma'am Jean Annette S. Ibo, and Ma'am Fatima Kalingasyon to award these certificates for each district. And also, our BUC and RCYC president. And after the awarding of photo opportunity with our esteemed spectators.
So let me first read the first award, the Best in Lifeline Legends, excelling in urgent care scenarios for emergency first aid. For their exemplary performance during the Bicol University College of Nursing Student Nurses Week Basic Life Support Olympics 2024 held on February 23, 2024 at the BU Commencement Grounds. Given this 23rd day of February 2024 at Bicol University College of Nursing Main Campus, Legazpi City. Signed by the President of BUC and RCYC, Pauline P. Reyes, our BUC and Dean, Ma'am Jean Annette SEPO, EDT, and Ma'am Charina J. Sipcon, PhD, our advisor.
Okay, there you have it, partner. Ready na ba? Okay, our winner for Best in Lifeline Legends, excelling in urgent care scenarios for emergency first aid is District. Sino gusto niyong manalo? Okay, the Best in Lifeline Legends, excelling in urgent care scenarios for emergency first aid is given to District Oder. Let's give them a big round of applause, please, for District Oder. Congratulations, District Oder. Punta po kayo dito sa stage. Okay, District Oder will receive a certificate for the Best in Lifeline Legends. So, yung representative po nila ang kumuha ng kanilang certificate. Lahat po kayo may certificate, guys. Lahat po, lahat po. Congratulations! Huwag po mawala ng pag-asa dahil may dalawa pa tayong special awards. Di ba, partner?
Yes, partner.
Leader. Palakpakan naman po. And there you have it. Congratulations, District Oder. Woohoo! And next, for the certificate or the award for the best in not just any contest, Lifeline Loop, is given to District. The winner for not just any contest, District Abernathy. District Abernathy will also receive a certificate for best in not just any contest, Lifeline Loop. And next award for the best in transfer trailblazers leading the way in patient movement for transfer patients is given to, drum rolls, Center po, Center, District Abernathy. And of course, for the transparency po, mag-compose po yung PC and RCYC ng scores, tabulation of scores for this case scenario. And next award for the best in transfer trailblazers leading the way in patient movement for transfer patients. Let's call once again District Abernathy! move forward for our major awards. For the third runner-up, District Melord! Okay, punta po kayo dito. Congratulations, District Melord, for being the third runner-up during the Bicol University College of Nursing RCYC Basic Life Support Olympics 2024. Palakpakan po, you all did well. If you have any questions or concerns with the tabulation of scores, the BSC and RCYC will post the scores po, the tabulated scores in our Facebook page. Congratulations, District Melord! Following, of course, their certificate of participation for their active involvement during the Bicol University College of Nursing BLS Olympics. Certificate of participation. Thank you and congratulations, District Melord. And of course, for the second runner-up, I think narinig ko na sila. Come here on the stage, District Aberdeen! Woohoo! Bakit parang gusto niyo lang maging second runner-up? Okay, congratulations, District Aberdeen, for being the second runner-up. And also the certificate of participation. Center po, center. Ayan. District Leader Christian is so proud of you guys. Congratulations, District Aberdeen. All smiles, District Aberdeen. Sino kaya, partner, ang magiging first runner-up and overall champion? We only have District Odair and District Abernathy. Okay, wag na nating pahintayin pa. For our first runner-up, may we call on here on stage, District Odair. Congratulations, District Odair, for being the first runner-up in this BLS Olympics 2024. And also they will receive a certificate of participation for their active involvement during the BLS Olympics 2024. And of course, for our overall champion, whew, wag muna pong aalis yung lahat ng districts kasi magkakaroon po tayo ng photo opportunity ng sabay-sabay. There you have it. And of course, for our overall champion, no other than District Abernathy! Okay, our overall champion will receive a certificate of recognition and participation and also a medal for this Basic Life Support Olympics. Congratulations, District Aberdeen. They have received 2 special awards and overall champion award. Meron din po Abernathy. And of course, congratulations din sa inyong district leader, Congratulations, District Aberdeen. Ayan, ang district leader ng Aberdeen ay si Rian Colas. At District Abernathy is District Leader Rian. Let's give them a big round of applause, please. Ay, partner, nakikita kong girl power pala to. Talaga naman. There you have it. And
Okay, so let us welcome our triumphant tributes to the stage and celebrate their remarkable achievements in the quest for survival. May their victory serve as a beacon of hope and inspiration to all of us, reminding us of the indomitable spirit that resides within each and every one of us.
And we invite our victors and esteemed guests and judges to gather for a photo opportunity that will forever capture his historic achievement. As our winners step forward to claim their rightful place in the annals of Hunger Games history, we invite our distinguished photographers to capture every smile, every embrace, and every moment of pride.
Together, let us create a lasting memory that will inspire generations to come and remind us all in the indomitable spirit of the BLS Olympics 2024.
Punta na po kayo dito, district, sa unahan po, to have an photo opportunity sa lahat po ng RCYC. As we bid farewell to this challenging yet productive event, let us carry forward the lessons learned and the memories shared, and let us continue to uphold the values of compassion, resilience, and unity that define the essence of the BLS Olympics.
This has been your host, Nicole Magaliano.
And Trisha May Galos.
Let us continue to uphold the values of compassion, resilience, and unity that define the essence of the BLS Olympics.
Basta RC Wires, always ready, always first, and always there. Thank you and congratulations. Lahat po ng district po, magkakaroon po ng photo opportunity. Punta na po tayo sa unahan. And double time po kasi mainit na. Thank you so much and congratulations. There you have it, and let's call it once a day. RCYC officers, photo opportunity po, lahat. Sa unahan po, sa unahan. Load na lang tayo, or opo. Chelsea, sama na ikaw. There you have it. Thank you and congratulations once again, District Aberdeen, Abernathy, Odair, and Belark. And of course, thank you to our guests, judges, and BUCN RCYC officers. Woo! Congratulations. Photo opportunity po ulit of BUCN RCYC officers. judges. Maraming salamat po.